Have you ever walked out of a barber shop or a hair salon, looked in the mirror, and say to yourself, this is not what I asked for? What if I told you there's a simple way to get the haircut you want, and it doesn't involve switching to a new hair professional or spending more money? Here's the secret: knowing how haircuts work, even if you're not a professional. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to level up your haircut and get your hands on something that can make this process super easy. Here's the thing: bad haircuts just don't happen because the stylist isn't good. Most of the time, it's because you as clients don't know what to communicate what you really want. And even if you try, the stylist or the barber may not be truly understanding what certain styles suit or don't suit your face shape, your hair type, or even your lifestyle. It's like trying to order a custom meal without knowing the ingredients. Not really gonna work out too well. The first thing is face shape and proportions. Understanding your face shape is key. Round, oval, square, all of these are really, really crucial that can help you determine the best haircut for what's gonna work for you. For example, layers can actually elongate a face shape, like especially if you have a long face to begin with, and a bob, like if you're getting a cut to here, may accentuate the jawline, and if you're trying to camouflage those things, it may not work out too well. Same thing as if you have a high forehead and you're creating a style that's elongating it and exposing it, it's not going to be really that great. Next thing, hair type matters. So if your hair is straight, curly, thin, thick, they all respond differently to haircuts. A blunt cut on curly hair looks completely different than on straight hair. And knowing this helps you set realistic expectations. Then the basics of cutting techniques. Angles like this and layering aren't just jargon, they're actually the building blocks of every haircut. For example, understanding what graduation is or texturizing means you can help articulate what exactly you're looking for. And I've gone over this many, many times in other videos. So texturizing, you may see when stylists or barbers are point cutting like this, or doing different things to the hair with scissors. I do it all the time in my videos. If you understand what that's doing to the hair, that could actually help you communicate to the professional, hey, whatever you did last time with the texturizing, it made my hair too thin or too piecey. I don't like that. I want the hair to be a bit more of a solid type of shape and not so thinned out. When you start understanding the fundamentals of hair cutting, especially if you're a client, then it's going to help you understand what's going on. Now, do you have to go out and learn and go to beauty school and become a barber or a cosmetologist to get your hair cut? No. But just simply spending some time understanding what certain things are, certain verbiage, certain techniques, doesn't mean you have to tell that professional to do those things, but understanding them will help you get a maybe better type of haircut by simply communicating and having the verbiage be on the same level as the professional, and then letting them execute what they're supposed to be doing. Now, this doesn't mean every single hair professional know these things. They don't know them because, trust me, there's a lot of hair professionals out there that are probably giving you a bad haircut. Yes, maybe it is time to leave and find someone else. If they keep butchering you haircut after haircut, or botch job after botch job, when you're getting your hair color, whatever it is, then maybe it's time to leave and find someone else. There's no hope. But these are all things that you need to learn and understand so that your haircut experience can get a lot easier. Every day I get questions from people and friends and just anyone I know, clients, people here on YouTube, sending them messages, oh, I got a bad haircut. I didn't understand what they were talking about. What do they mean by this? What do they mean by that? They didn't mention my face shape. I don't know what to tell them. And that's where I started suggesting my brand new my handbook, my haircut guide and handbook. That's an ebook. And it's only $10. It's extremely affordable. And I've been recommending that to people. And since I just launched this the other day, people have been buying it like crazy because, one, it's only 10 bucks. It's cheaper than your haircut, but it gives you a really, really good in-depth understanding of what I'm talking about in this video. And this handbook is a, no fluff, straight on ebook. You can download it to PDF file. You can go right to my store, shop.thesalonguy.com, and I'll put a link in the description of where you can purchase it. It goes right to my store. A simple process. You can get it instantly after you purchase it. and it's really right to the point, helping you understand face shapes, techniques, layering, all that stuff. So does understanding how to cut hair give you better haircut results? Well, yeah, kind of. It's just like, why do you go to school? You go to school to learn things about things, even though you may not be doing them on a regular basis, but you're all getting your haircut. So if you had a little more knowledge about your hair, you could actually improve upon your haircut, even with the same person who's been cutting your hair, who may be doing an okay job or a decent job, but you can now enhance and improve your haircut experience by communicating with that professional and letting them kind of go with the flow and connect with you a bit more on that level. A lot of times you may walk in and you're sitting down and the professional goes, all right, what are we doing today? And you're just like, I don't know. And then you see all over social media guys doing this, and then the client's going, mid fade here, taper, and the guy's going, all right, taper fade here, long in the back. All right, look, let's get you ready, dog. Let's hook you up. It's like, I mean, that's all right, that's cool, but imagine if you can take that to a whole other level where now you say to the hair professional, last time I was here, you really texturized this area a lot. And I know what that did, and I know why you did that, but unfortunately, it actually gave me too much separation, and because my hair is a bit finer, it actually didn't work out too well. I needed my hair to be a bit thicker, so maybe less of the texturizing and just cut it a bit more blunt. You know, or I have a very round face shape, so I need something that's going to camouflage that. I'm thinking more maybe triangular layers or something that's going to be a little more covering towards the face. They're going to look at you like, how do you know all this? That could improve because they're probably wanting to say that to you and they don't know how to because they think you don't understand. So this ebook, this haircut guide and handbook is going to be a game changer for you. Again, it's only $10. And the reason I made it so affordable and cheap is because, you know what? A lot of you buy my products anyway, but I figured why not give you value for a very affordable cost that you can download, have access to all the time, and refer to, which can help you get a better haircut experience. And this is for men right now. This is the men's version. I'm working on the women's version, so get ready for that, but the men's version is available right now. And again, go to shop.thesalonguy.com or just go right in the description and you can click the link and you'll be good to go. So, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon.